Tusafubik Simbai is a herder from Changji, Xinjiang, who suffered from severe cataracts that he nearly fell off a cliff once while tending to his flock. In Changji, where cataracts are prevalent, many others share his plight. Medical experts from Fujian, Aid-Xinjiang, arrived in Changji to handle complex eye diseases. For patients living in remote pastures, the medical team of the Regaining Eyesight Program made house calls. This initiative, benefiting Changji's cataract patients, is known as the Brightness Action. When the medical team visited Tusafubik's home, he was initially reluctant to undergo surgery. To him, surgery was a terrifying prospect. However, after the team's explanation and persuasion, and thinking about his sheep that needed care, Tusafubik finally decided to go through with the operation. His eye condition was complicated, increasing the risk of the surgery. Nevertheless, the operation was successfully completed in just 20 minutes. He is one of the many beneficiaries of the Regaining Eyesight Program. This brightness action has already restored sight to nearly 1,000 cataract patients in Changji.